Hey guys, what's up? Townsend here. We're at Johnson's house today. We're gonna get ready to check his 240 out. It don't start, so we're gonna go knock on his door and see if we can't get him around. Here we go. What's up, Johnson?
How's it
Check
going?
out your 240 today.
Yeah, see what we can figure out.
So where'd you get this car at?
I got it in a trade whenever I got rid of my 240 convertible out of Memphis.
Out of Memphis. All right. What is this? Dual or single? Single, right?
Single overhead cam, yeah.
Yeah, single.
90.
Yeah. It's a pretty sweet little car. All right, guys. Well, me and Chris
figure out why it's not starting.
Yeah, we're gonna try to figure out why it's not starting, what's going on with it. Can't be anything too technical, hopefully. Get this thing on the road and see what we can do. All right, so we hooked up the jumper cables. Everything looked over here. We're gonna try seeing if this thing will run or even start. We're gonna try dry starting it a couple times before we spray some starting fluid into it. So that's what we're gonna be doing now.
I got this thing in a trade, so I don't really know a whole lot about it.
You come out of where? Memphis?
Yeah.
Memphis, Tennessee? Okay. So let's see what we can do. Hop in there and see if it'll even crank over right now. Battery may be so dead it may not crank over.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, I see the switch.
Turn that on, if that's fuel pump. Oh, I'll need the key, obviously.
Ah, you forgot the key. All right, we're back. We got the good stuff. Starting fluid from Part City. Here we go. We're gonna go, or O'Reilly's I think is where we got it from this time. Here we go. We're gonna try spraying some of this into the car here. There's an opening right there, huh?
Yeah.
It's perfect. Okay. It's here. Okay. All right, we tried putting this liquid starting fluid. We tried it. We're gonna see what else. We're gonna look the motor over a little bit more and see what else we can figure out. All right, guys. This is Chris again. We're back. Me and Johnson tried starting his car. We're unable to actually get it started. We did find a lot out about the car, so that's nice. Maybe we can put new plugs in it and get it running soon.